What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can convert Pi coins to euros on Bitget. Also, if you guys don't have a Bitget account already, you can use my referral link with a code from the description below, and that way once you create your account you will get $15 in Bitcoin. And now let's continue. So first off, once you have your Bitget account set up right here, you would need to go to your assets section. From here you would be able to see all the assets that you currently have on your Bitget account, of course along with your Pi network coins. So to exchange Pi network for euros, just go ahead and tap on Pi, then select spot, then click on trade. From here the trading pair Pi/USDT will load. So we would first need to swap Pi for USDT, and from there we will swap USDT for euros, because Pi doesn't have a direct Pi to euros course. So let's go ahead and select sell option right here and input the quantity of Pi that we would like to sell. So let's say 1 Pi. Now just go ahead and click sell. So it says that the minimum is 1.7 Pi, so let's change this. So let's say 1.5 Pi. From here again click on sell, and there we go. So now the order has been placed and it will be completed in a few moments. So once the order is completed, you can go back to your assets section. From here, once our Pi has been swapped for USDT, you would need to go to the markets tab, and in the search bar just type in USDT. From here select USDT Euro pair and go ahead and click on trade. Now go on sell again and input the quantity of USDT that you would like to swap for euros. So let's say 2 USDT and go ahead and click sell. And there we go. Now if we go back to our assets tab, we will be able to see that our euro amount has increased because we sold USDT for euros. And that's guys how you can exchange or sell your Pi for euros on Bitget. Again, if you don't have a Bitget account already, you can use the link from the description below and get $15 once you create your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.